Hello, everybody, and welcome back. This week, I'm a little late in recording this, but this is, we're planning in the Happy Planner, the vertical, for the week of Monday, January 25th through Sunday, the 31st. And I don't know if you remember last video, I had talked about these sticker planning guides, these templates. Well, I used the one template for the vertical layout just recently for this spread. So I'm excited. It was a lot of fun, setting it up and stuff like that. So this is going to be a quick video, and my theme this week is going to be all about a snow day. So we were scheduled to have a snow day on Monday, and that really didn't happen, but nevertheless, it's still fun to go ahead and plan for one. So I'm going to go ahead and put my stickers down. Now, I got my nails done, so it's a little hard sometimes to pull up these stickers. Okay, and here is the reason why we're doing this layout. Is because of this cute little sticker that says Snow Day. And I'm wondering if maybe I use this guy, my tweezers, to make it a little easier to pull these stickers up. Yeah, I think so. What I did use for most of these stickers, I used the Squad Goals, this book, the winter spread. I'm just loving this layout, this spread. It just turned out so cute. So we're prepping to go back to work, to the offices. We've been working, since COVID started, but we're getting ready to go back into the offices, and they're going to do it in a manner so that we can achieve the social distancing, and also we're going to spread out. I believe everybody's going to be on a schedule, so not everybody will be working in the building at the same time. I love these templates. So I've noticed that some of my spreads get more views and some don't. So I'd love it if you could comment below and tell me what it is that you love about spreads. So then maybe it can help me out. Do I talk too much? Do I not talk enough? I think the spreads, they're cute. See, these things are so nice. Oh. I would suggest, however, when you do get these, if you plan out something, like I planned this out a couple of days ago, and unfortunately I just couldn't get to it. But if you do plan them out, I would try to use it as quickly as you can, because it seems like the stickers stick to it just a little firmer than when you first lay them down. I don't think that's straight. See how cute that's looking already? Have you guys been watching any shows? I don't know if I brought up, I watched, you know, in the evenings, now that it's cold, there's nothing really else to do except, well, do crafts and then watch TV. I journal. I do, you know, other things, but I just recently finished watching, what's the last one? I think the last show that I watched was on Netflix. It was called Hinterland, and it was a murder mystery. It was so good. All right, this is going to be very quick. Oh boy. These stickers are just precious. I really like that book. I think that and the holiday books are some of my favorite. There we go. Okay. If you want to show that's a guilty pleasure, I mean, it's just no thought to it whatsoever. Check out the show Singapore. Hold on a minute. It's Singapore. What is it called? Singapore something. It's a show. It's on Netflix. Or the other one is, and they're only one season, is, oh gosh, Bling Empire. Bling Empire. To be able to live those lives, oh, would be nice. Let me lay this guy down. It goes by so much faster when I plan it. When I don't plan it, oh gosh, my videos are like 40 minutes long. I saw that the other day. It was National Handwriting Day. And it was cute, all the, on Instagram, all the planners who do a lot with their handwriting, with lettering. It was nice seeing all of that. We're almost done. Wait till you see the spread. It is so cute. Oh no. Here we go. I don't know if you can see the snowflakes. Those are snowflakes. So I start a new job tomorrow. Same school system. It's just a new job. So excited about it. All right. We are just about done. That was quick and easy. I'm going to put a remember on Sunday night, so there's a few things I need to remember for the following week. And then for the weekend, all we want to do is relax. So that's a little crooked. Okay. That is done, and it is so cute. Let me bring it up to show you. See right here? So there you go. That's the spread for this week. I hope you guys have a wonderful, wonderful week, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.